Today I'm doing a short review of a One More TWS Q10 headphones or earbuds. They're the type that's similar to Apple Airpods in the design. You open it, it looks similar. I'm comparing this to some Tozo T10 earbuds that cost about $30. The sound quality is comparable. Haven't been able to try out the battery life, but for these are originally about $30 also, but we're on sale for $10. In terms of comfort, for my wife, who's a lady, she said these fit on pretty well. They don't come off. These don't are a little too big for her ears, so she said it was nice getting these. Charging is easy, but I think the one drawback is it uses USB-C charger. It didn't come with the charging equipment, so it was. I think it just came with this over here. My wife opened it a few days ago. She says she doesn't recall a cable being included, but I could be wrong. So you do need to bring your own charging cable and charger to charge this. So again, this one says R for right ear. So if you can get it for $10, not a bad deal. Hopefully they last. Again, sound quality seems pretty decent. Fits pretty well. And these are very similar. As you can see, it's red over here when it's charging. And when you plug it in, it starts lighting up, I think, red when it's charging. Yeah, it's just comparable to if you want an inexpensive set. Hopefully, again, I don't know how well these will last compared to these. This $30 earbud lasted over 3 years, but hopefully this lasts just as long. I mean, can't complain. It was only $10, and usually it's $30. So, over and out. Looks just like some Apple AirPod headphones.